Yeah, hi guys. Hope you people are doing good. So today we are going to talk about exponents. Okay, so let us start. I will start with an example, with a very basic example in which I will explain what is base, what is called exponent, what is power, what is index, what is indices, all these things. Okay. So let's take this example. For example, we have taken, let us say, 5 raised to the power 2. 5 raised to the power 2 means 5 into 5. So it will come 25. So in this, what is 5? What is 5? 5 is called base. 5 is called base. This is known as base. Okay. And what is 2? What is this 2? 2 is called what? It has various names. You can call 2 as power. Okay. 2 as power. Or you can call it index. You can call it index, or you can call it exponent. Exponent. You can call it exponent also. So in 5 raised to the power 2, sorry, in 5 raised to the power 2, 5 is called the base and 2 is called, you can call it power, you can call it index, you can call it in exponent. So one more important thing which we should know, the plural form of index is called indices. The plural form of index, is, if I go and talk about plural form of it, okay? What is the plural form of index called? Indices. We call it indices, right? So now you understood. So 5 raised to the power 2. 5 is called base, 2 is called index, 2 is called power, 2 is called exponent, and the plural form of exponent is called indices. Right. So what in order to solve problems related to exponents or indices, right? How we solve problems related to exponents? Are there any rule for that? Yes, there are few rules which we have to keep in our mind while solving questions. So, for example, the rule says, one of the rule is rules. I will write here rules of indices. Okay, rules of indices. Okay, I'll call it rules of indices. Okay, so rules of indices. What are the rules of indices? Yeah, I'll give you some rules. Yeah. So rule number one. Rule number one says, you can say it is a to the power m into a to the power n. Right? A to the power m and into a to the power n. In this case, base is same. Base is same, but the exponent is different. Exponents are different. Base is same and exponents are different. So what the rule of indices says about this? It says that when there is an expression like this, two terms, base is same, right? Both the bases are same, but index value is different, power value is different, right? So in that case, how to deal with that? It says, as per the rule, you can say that it becomes added. Index get added, indices get added, right? It is plural, more than one, m and n. There are two indices, plural form of index is called indices. So in this case, indices are getting added. That means a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n, right? In this case, a, which is called base, bases are same, right? Both the bases are same, but exponents are different. So as per the rule of indices, the exponent, the indices, as per the rule of indices, indices will get added up. So this is rule number 1. What is rule number 2? It says like a to the power m divided by a to the power n. In other forms, what we can say as a to the power m upon a to the power n. We can write it, right? So again in this case also, base is same, right? Base is same. Base is same, right? Base is same. Base is same, right? So in this case, what will happen? As per the rule of indices, bases are same but indices are different. In this case, since they are getting divided, so the rule says it will be a raised to the power m minus n. Okay. What is the third rule? Third rule says, there are many rules actually. I'm just trying to write as many rules as possible. A raised to the power m to the power n. What we can write? We can write it as a to the power m n, right? A to the power m n. Please make a note of that. A raised to the power m whole to the whole n. It is not equal to a to the power m to the power n. No, it is not equal to that, right? So this is an important rule which we need to remember. A to the power m and whole over whole, there is n, right? So that is equal to a raised to the power m n. Product of indices, okay? Product of indices. But this is not equal to, left hand side is both. In this case, this case. This is equal to this product of indices. Mn. Mn is the product of indices. But you cannot perceive it as a to the power m to the power n. No, it is not. It is not equal to this. So this is important to be remembered, right? This is important to be remembered by the students, right? So is there any more rule according to that? Yes, we do have. What that rule says. For example, it says that there is a number, negative number, for example. There is a negative number, okay? And in the form of index, in the form of power, it has even number. It has even number in the form of index. So what it will be? It will be a positive number. It will be a positive number. I will give an example. Okay, I'll give an example shortly. So similarly, rule number 5 says that if there is something called negative number, okay, negative number, and the index is an odd number. Index is an odd number. You will get negative number. The value is a negative. It's a negative number, right? So I'll try to explain it with the help of an example. Okay. For example, let's say. For example, I can say that it is. Take a negative number. For example, let us take minus 4 to the power 4. Minus 4 to the power 4. How can we write? We can write it in this way. minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, right? See, minus into minus is a positive number, and minus into minus is a positive number. So what it becomes? It becomes plus. 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 16. So it will be becoming 256. It's a plus 256. If no sign is mentioned, that means it is plus, okay? So it is the example of this, right? You got? What is example of this? Same thing. Take as minus 4, and in the form of the even number you say 5. So can we write it as minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. 4 times minus 4. It is positive. So it is here also. 4 times minus 4. It is positive. So this positive thing is getting multiplied by negative thing. So positive into negative will give you minus thing, right? So 256 into 4, that becomes minus 1024. Minus 1024. Okay, right? So like that there are many roots. Okay, there are many roots. Yeah. So we will see that part in the next video. Okay, so this is all about the fundamentals of exponent. I have discussed here fundamentals of exponent, right? So let's a quick recap. Do a quick recap. 5 raised to the power 2. In that 5 is called base. 2 is having many names. 2 you can call power. 2 you can call index. 2 you can call exponent. The plural form of index is called indices, right? And are there any rules to deal with the problems related to exponents or indices? So far, yes, there are few rules. There are many rules, in fact. So whatever came into my mind, I tried to recall and put up on board, right? Bases are same, so exponents will get added up. Bases are same, when they are getting divided, exponents will get minus. This product. This is not good. This is very important to remember. Negative number raised to the power even number. This will give you positive number. I suffice with example. Negative number to the power odd number, right? It will give you negative number. I have sufficed with this example, right? So in the next part of the video, right, we will take few examples and we will solve them, right? So thank you for watching.